I'm Stacy Gordon. Welcome to That's My Jam. Whether it's football, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, or New Year's, it is definitely appetizer season. And we're about to fix some of my favorites. You can't go wrong with these. Today we're going to make loaded potato skins. Let's get started. I'm going to preheat my oven to 450 degrees. For baking, I always prefer russet potatoes. I'm planning to do 10 skins today, so I'm going to pick out 5 medium-sized potatoes. I'll thoroughly wash and scrub each potato with a brush. It's very important to do this step. You want to get the sides as well as the ends of the potato. If you're going to be eating the skins, just washing the potato is not enough. You need to scrub it. Now we're going to give our potatoes a special treat, a trip to the spa. We'll start out with a nice olive oil massage. We'll follow this up with a nice sea salt scrub. We don't want to miss any parts of our beautiful potato. When cleaning up my hands, I'm not going to use any soap. Olive oil is an incredible lubricant. I'm just going to rinse off the heavy and then pat dry with a towel. The salt scrub and the oil are a treat for my hands too. No pan. We're going to lay these right on the oven rack for about 50 minutes. Out of the oven, I'll place these on a rack to cool down. Once these potatoes have cooled down enough to handle, we'll move on to the next step. Using a nice sharp knife, I'll cut each potato long ways. You can use a spoon, or I'm going to use a melon baller to carve out the inside of each potato. We're going to save those because there is no way we're going to let all that good stuff go to waste. We want to be sure to leave a bit of the potato inside the skin. Once we've finished, we'll cover these and stick in the fridge for tomorrow night's dinner. I'm sure we can make something out of these. With that step done, I'm preheating my oven to 350 degrees. I've melted 3 tablespoons of butter. We'll use a brush and lightly coat each one of the potato skins. I'm even going to try to get a little bit of the butter on the outsides of the skins if I can. This is just going to help the potato skin get nice and crispy. We'll pop these back into the oven for about 5 minutes. If you're enjoying today's video, let YouTube know. Now's the perfect time to go tap the like button. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. We're going to load these skins up today with some shredded Colby Jack and some real bacon bits. First, a generous helping of the cheese right inside each one of the skins. Next, a sprinkle of bacon bits on top of the cheese. These guys are ready to go back in the oven just for about 5 minutes, long enough for the cheese to melt. While those skins are in the oven, we're going to clean and cut up 2 green onions. We want to slice these nice and thin. And I'm going to get myself a pretty little bowl of sour cream. You can grab a couple of these onions and put on top of that if you're fancy like that. Once these beauties come out of the oven, we're just about ready to serve. I'll put my sour cream in the middle, and then I'll arrange the skins all around on a pretty platter. Now these guys are ready to top with our green onion, and we are ready to serve. I hope you're going to love these loaded potato skins as much as I do. I truly hope you have a fantastic week ahead. I'm going to be back with you again real soon. In the meantime, turn off the TV, turn on some music, and just keep jamming.